Laugh in the school.
Laugh in the school.
Advised to join a prayer session organized by the SU in the General 3 class. Please, it's my own good.
We go to where the disturb we so. You don't see same kind of bed. Huh? If you want to go pray. Huh?
Hey, but you guys, why? How you the one touch my life like that? Huh? You notice the man can one bed. If things big, give you a pray and leave room with bed. What is the problem?
Oh, what's in your
I was only trying to make an announcement, but not to disturb people.
My friend, will you leave me alone? You gay? What's wrong with you? Make you no mention my full name like that again. You don't hear? You don't hear?
But you guys, I know they understand why they worry when I life so. One kind of one best more, there's also disturbances from you. Why?
Oh, but I said I was only trying to make
my friend, come up for that.
My friend, come up for there. Oh, why the disturbance? Huh? Why they wrong you? Charlie, make you no come worry us for you. That's all.
Mr. Kosovo, good afternoon. What's up? So if you from Mongo where they come to disturb you, so come on day for ground. But senior, someone asked me to. I said kneel down, they talk you, they challenge me. You said who they search me? Please, it's that senior I've always been walking around with on campus. That means you have been spying on me, Oh, senior, me? No, I don't do that. Hey, shut up. For your punishment, you go bring to sardine. See they here.
Mary, I'm really worried. I don't think I can get this money from anywhere. When I went home for the money, I was not given the full payment to it. I'm now left with about 70 cedis to add to it. 70 cedis, Mary. And it makes me really worried.
Oh God, please help her. Trust God, Venice. He's definitely going to make something come up.
Right now, honestly, I don't know what to do. I'm all broken into pieces by it.
Laugh in the school.
Laugh in the school.
I don't understand why you guys always get angry about all this. It's my own good, you know.
That is because you are so dumb and shallow in thinking that you don't see things clearly as we used to do. What is wrong with you? We want to sleep. We are talking about SU. What is SU? Hey, what is SU?
My friend, we say we know they like you, know they hear. You can't be working human being. Eh? If they think good, like you people will go receive them. We know they like them.
Festo, this is the best thing you said so far. I don't know why this Crefe people want to threaten one alive so. Huh? My friend, come on for this block.
Oh, but I haven't finished my announcement.
I say come on for this block inside, that's all.
You want to finish?
I say come on, that's all. Come on. What is that? I hate stupid things.
Look at them.
That's all.
SU. Name SU. Let me say SU for my home. Never power. Look at him.
Which of them or what is his name is? He said his name is Farrell. Oh, Farrell. What did he say? He said I should tell you he'll be waiting for you at your usual place. So sake of this one, pay they come to disturb me so, You know so be bad girl, But senior, what have I done? How if you know say me then Farrell the walk, Where now to you go fit know where we dey meet for. You be bad girl, Oh, but senior, everyone on campus knows that he's here. Hey, shut up. Get up from there, bad girl. By evening, I don't want the sardines. You dey hear?
Have you tried all avenues for it? I'm sure there is certainly a place you can get the money from. Just search hard.
Where haven't I been, Mary? Where? I've gone everywhere humanly possible for it. Just tell me where to get it and I'll go. Because my future is seriously at stake.
I wish I can help, seriously, because I hate seeing you all break down. Me myself, I have nothing on me. The dining hall is what I'm depending on now.
I know if you have, you would have helped. Don't worry. I guess the only resort now is to go home. I have no business being in school.
Oh, don't. You certainly would write this exam.
How, Mary? How? How is that going to happen in this state?
Charlie, I dey hungry. You go figure small guy, then she told me that.
Well, I got plenty inside there. Sake of what you did to that boy, I will give you plenty. Huh? You know what?
That be my boy. Seriously, senior.
You dear. See him. If you need something from someone, then you flaunt fans. You only praise people if you want something from them.
First, you want me. Hey, Siano. Siano. Come here, come here.
Me.
Like who? Come here.
Please, I'm here.
Hey. Brown boy Siano.
You slipers, please.
Let me go.
I will come collect the children. Please. Hey, you get down here. Come on, come and stand down here.
Okay. Why don't you ask those Kashmir guys?
What? Are you even listening to yourself, Mary? You know those guys hate us, don't you?
Well, you don't have any other option, do you?
That's the point. Okay, I guess I'll see one of those guys and find out whether they can help.
Yes, nothing is impossible for God. I mean, think about it. They are the only hope now. And you even going to them alone will tell them how desperate you need the money.
Okay then, I'll do that immediately.
If you can say you be brown boy.
Please, what am I done?
Always the battle. Come on, please, you know if you talk. Come on, say Calipo maker here.
Garipo.
What?
Garipo.
Hey, Siano, you be our boy. The other time I cross you for them, nobody you say you go take my things Cameroon.
No, I can't buy my thing. I finish.
Hey, make you no make slap for my body, or else me I go mafia you. You hear? You hear?
Over then.
I be get provisions for them. You don't get. By hook or crook tomorrow, I don't want my things from my room inside. You hear?
In a prison, I don't have.
Aha. Go cross the gene there. Go claim Gary and she talking me. You hear?
Okay, senior. Please, from who?
I say cross the gene, you know here? Huh?
Please, have you already told him?
Like I don't tell him, I say go claim him. Why you fool like that? And if you go make no sense I'm safe. Close your nose, you hear? Fucking boy, Siano.
Let me take you back to my school days. I be the kind of nigga na me Ethiopia case. Don't give a damn to me for na me share me lays. Na say me see class and nigga Jehovah grace. Hey. Let me take you way back. I be the kind of nigga no go feed by breast F, no cash. I just laugh in the school.
Laugh in the school.
Now we a school rat and now we a good boy. Now we call SU and now we a clap girl. Now we a fresh boy and now we a fresh girl. Now we a big spy and now we a real blow. Tell me, laugh in the school.
Laugh in the school.
Sometimes I think about my life in the school.
Laugh in the school.
My life in the school. Sometimes I think about my life in the school.
Festo G.
Who is it?
Festo. Charlie, somebody they search you for your class inside.
Is that person a girl or a boy?
She be chick.
Hey. Okay. I'll go and see that person. I'm coming.
Should I wait for you?
No, you can go.
Festo.
Hey, my boy.
Festo G.
You can go. I'm coming.
Sometimes I think about my life in the school.
Laugh in the school.
My life in the school. Sometimes I think about my life in the school. Now we a school rat and now we a good boy. Now we call SU and now we.
That's what.
Alright. Where you guys they go?
Why you guys they go?
You go town, why?
So can you guys go take a LCR to it? You know talking. Huh? I be here everywhere. You guys had to go. Which you to go to?
What will they go do? You guys be kiddies, you know if you do am. Charlie, I no get body. No, they mean say I be kiddie, eh? We all be part of the hustler squad. Why they won't come out with from inside?
Come on for there. You go feel blunt. Huh? You go feel blunt. You go blunt for town, that's all.
But you guys they shock me. So we I no do some before. It means say we no go fit do.
So Archimedes.
Yeah, Florence. How was it?
Sir, I'm not fine now.
Why? Are you sick or something?
No, sir. It's my school fees. I have paid part of it. I only need about 50 cedis to settle it.
Oh, really?
Sir, I want to ask if you can help me pay it, sir.
Florence, do you think I do things for free?
Laugh in the school.
Laugh in the school.
Hi, Benis. I hear someone is looking for me. Have you two seen anybody around?
I'm the one looking for you. I was the one who asked him to call you for me.
What? And what do you need me for? I beg, don't come and blunt about SU staffs here. I've had enough of it to add that one to my headaches. I was about having a siesta when the boy came to call me.
No. It is not about SU. Please listen.
Then speak up. Because I know I have nothing in common to be standing with you here.
Let me take you back, let me take you back. Let me take you back, let me take you back.
Voila.
Let me take you back.
You see what I talk? We growing they talk them you kiddies they there. See, you people know blonde self before. When they call your body hazardous. Charlie. No kiddie day here. I be kiddie like I did this school.
Charlie, why do you worry your body on this kid? Shut them cram go.
Charlie, why? Okay, what do you guys go do now? Talk with. Oh, what are you going to do? Make I talk them.
Oh, sir, I'll pay. My father will bring money, then I come and pay as soon as possible.
How am I assured that you are going to pay the money? You, these girls on campus. You think I don't know you, eh? I really do know you.
Oh, sir, I swear I will come and pay.
Look, Florence, I'm your sir. I'm not a small boy. Do you get me?
So you can't help me? I swear I will do anything, sir.
You will do anything? Me cry. I have been observing you quite well, and you are growing good with all the curves and that. Just get down with me. I'm gonna pay you the money.
I really need some help from you, Nathaniel, and that's why I called you.
What kind of help is that?
I need about 70 cedis to settle my school fees.
What? And who told you I'm going to give you that kind of money?
I know you have that kind of money, and that's why I'm asking in God's name.
And what if I do? What do I get in return?
Oh, it is not as if I wouldn't pay. As soon as my dad gives me the rest of the money, I'll bring it back to you, I promise.
Which will take forever.
I will bring it back, I promise.
Unfortunately, I don't have that kind of patience.
You see, say we all no pay one school fees. We dey go blunt, then go bust some money from town. Otherwise, he go sack we all from school. Some runnings daytime way we dey go pick.
Ah, why? You guys the craze or what? You tell them robbers?
See, I always tell you say you fool. Eh? That's why your name be Asanka. Only chop head your head inside. Nothing else. Huh? How do you expect say you go pay your school fees, eh? Buddy, this one, if you no be wild, no fit do wildness. Tell him.
Let's do something here. I give you the money, then you do what I want. And that's fair price.
And what's that, Nathaniel? I will do anything to get the money. Please, just name it.
Okay, that's encouraging. You see, Benis, in this kind of world, it is difficult to get a girl like you. So, if you go to bed with me, then voila, that cancels your debt.
Charlie, then can the talking be true?
Aye.
No, nonsense. You know, when they hear what, then they talk. Me, I chop my school fees.
Hey!
Yeah. So, anything I go do, I take a place I'm I go do am. You dey there.
That be my boy. She say you get better sense. Asanka, you be Jawa boy. Wow. Ah! You dey ask the work always. Still you be dull. Eh? Chala Logos move good and left this place.
Charlie, you guys they go left me.
Charlie, me I don't want Jawa boys for my life. Eh? If you do, I will send you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure now. Sure now.
Oh, that's all. Why? You everything then you bore.
He said, what do you mean?
Are you a small girl? I mean, come and satisfy me and fill my bed, and I'm going to give you the money.
He said.
Look, I give you what you want, I get what I want. Simple. Everybody gets satisfied, and no one is going to hear about it, not even your friends.
Well, sir, I will think about it for a while. But can't you at least give me part so that...
So that what? Look, I've given you the option, and your future lies in what you can give. You either take it or lose it. I'm done.
No. You must be crazy to think I'll do something that stupid. How did it get into your head in the first place that I'll do something like this, eh? How could you be so wicked?
Well, that's the rules of the game, baby. If you don't want it, just bounce. I'm not the one in trouble here. You take the money, and I discover the amazing world of virgins.
How dare you? You really lost your mind. Shameful boy.
Well, you wouldn't take such a risk with your future, would you? Monday is just around the corner and you are done with school, girl.
You are go. No pay. No pay.
Now you dey talk. Now you dey talk. Okay, maybe guys can.
Ba. Have a go do it. Any hour thing you have to do.
Nah. Me then that's a good sort of.
A
good sort of.
You guys, heavy water. Heavy water.
God, why this? For this one, please forgive me what I'm about to do. I don't have any other choice.
Say what?
I wasn't talking to you.
Laugh in the school. Laugh in the...
Okay. I'll do it.
Yeah, girl. That's encouraging. You're doing the right thing.
Could you at least tell me when I'm getting the money?
Hey. Relax. We're about doing something special here, girl.
If you make an attempt, I will hit you in the face.
Hey. We are not enemies, are we?
No. Just tell me when I get the money.
Okay. We meet at entertainment. Then we pass on to town to do our own thing.
You know I don't come for entertainment. I'll meet you outside just after entertainment.
Simple as that.
But on one condition. That nobody hears about this. If anybody should hear about this, no.
Okay.
Damn you, Nathaniel. Damn you. You're so wicked.
I'm not wicked, you know. Remember, I'm the one helping here with the money. And that's after getting what I want. Damn, girl. You're so full of hunger. And that even makes you prettier.
My laugh in the school. Laugh in the school.
Laugh in the school.